you're doing, and I'm like,
get out!
Like you would know.
Hey, and they're trying to get the food again, huh? Roscoe, give it a rest, son.
Give it a rest, son.
Hey, get over here.
Shit, son.
Find yourself a
I
spot
don't
to park,
understand
son.
why do people say shit, son? Why would they want their sons to shit?
Mm-hmm.
So they don't get constipated.
That's the reason as any.
That's a good reason. I don't want to be constipated, man.
Where were you on the day of today?
I have no idea. I don't know. I couldn't find myself.
That's pretty gay.
What do you mean?
I'm not gay. I'm completely straight.
Has a circle.
I am straight as a circle. You're just jealous. What is it? My home.
She passes.
I passed it too.
And turn it down.
One moment, please.
Donnie, I will murder you. How does that sound?
I'll hump your face.
You got makeup, Joe?
Are you gonna make it, son?
Don't touch my fucking cords!
Yeah, she's gonna make it clubs, I believe.
Alright, I guess it's club.
Yes, no!
No?
No! Okay, clubs. Clubs.
You're making it close.
I think you're doing it just to piss me off.
So you know
never
how
know.
he told his
You just never know.
You just never know.
Grandma's gotta play.
I did it.
Done playing.
I did it to him and he went.
You have diamonds?
I had diamonds. Yeah, but I did this.
Yeah.
You should have played it. Why?
Eva.
Because her king took your queen.
Eva.
No.
Eva.
Club.
For club.
Jeez. Yes, love.
I did that and he went. So I
lost that one.
Where's Roscoe?
Over here sitting down somewhere being a good boy, I hope.
Joanne, do you remember that one time
Do you have another spade?
when
No.
we were in the woods?
Go.
Stop biting your brother.
It's not working.
And?
It's you, Eva.
And Seth fell on your face.
Let's go.
Not really. No.
Oh, I was just wondering. What about that one time?
Cards.
Cards, you need to get it or you're yogurt.
Oh, card laid, card
You
played.
should put the ace of diamonds on there. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
What about that one time?
Why?
One time at band
What about
camp,
that one time when we finished our
that
sentence?
I don't know how, but it is.
Because I am better than you.
and
Why'd you just hit him?
he keeps on biting him and me.
They're just playing.
But he's biting me.
But I don't like to
and
deal.
it
You can
hurts.
shuffle them and I'll deal.
Well, if you don't
Eva,
like to
your
deal with it,
drink's on the floor, Eva. Eva, your drink's knocked over on the floor.
What'd he do?
Who did
Oh,
what?
bitches and hoes. Look what you fucking did.
Who did what?
It didn't spill, it just knocked it over. Oh, got a lid.
That's not put it on the table. He was licking on it. It was on the floor.
Let me lick on you.
That doesn't sound good. Doesn't sound very good at all.
What?
Cards.
Give her the cards so she can deal them.
Give her the card.
Give her the card.
Wait a minute, give me the card.
No. It's my deal. You should shuffle them for you.
It's a puppet.
I'm pretty sure to bring duct tape to me the next
You did
time
it,
I
not
come
me.
up here.
It's a puppet. Scurry together. Oh, you're looking at me? I was like, oh, you're looking at me.
You rock it there.
Joanne,
Give
Goofus.
him back.
what's the
That's-
funniest thing you can remember?
Get him, Roscoe.
I have no idea.
Get him.
You have to think of something funny.
Get him,
What would it be?
Roscoe.
Where are the cards?
A lot of nothing.
What's the funniest thing Seth's ever
You
done?
better leave me alone.
What about Austin?
I'm gonna go lay down.
What about
When he wrapped his head in that one yarn thing.